Your viewers can slap stickers right onto your stream overlay just like this. Here's how you set it up. Log into your Twitch account and head to your creator dashboard. On the left side, find extensions. Search for stream stickers in the search bar and click add. Then click configure and open your dashboard. You may need to log in with your Twitch again here. On the left side, you can click stickers to customize your stickers. Custom stickers are ones that you upload to be used on your stream, which is super fun. And global stickers are the ones that come preloaded into the extension. Stream Stickers does a really good job updating these regularly for holidays, and whenever a new meme goes viral, I believe they have new global stickers every Monday. On the left side of the dashboard, go to settings, then setup. And here you'll find instructions on how to add the browser source to your streaming software. Basically, click this button and then copy this URL. Inside your streaming software, add a browser source. Paste that link you just copied and adjust the dimensions to the size of your canvas, so most likely 1920 by 1080. Make sure this layer is on the top or you won't be able to see the stickers. Final step, head back to your Twitch dashboard and look for where it says My Extensions. Look for where it says Stream Stickers and click Activate. Then you can choose to set it as a panel or as a component. A panel will show up in your About Me section on your Twitch page like this. A component is a widget on your video player that becomes visible when you hover over the stream and you interact with it here. I personally prefer panels as they're easier for new viewers to find, but this is up to you. Now, when someone goes to your Twitch page, they'll be able to choose a sticker and slap it onto your stream overlay. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to learn how to make your streams cooler.